envisioning that might accelerate what her learning?
What I had asked her earlier is if she would be willing for me to try on the voiceover, which is basically stopping her or some sort of signal to like just freeze for a moment, and for us to have a mini conversation, just getting her to think or to stop and ponder, pause and ponder, and then making a small transition and then moving on. That's what I had, that spoke to me when Diane was talking about that, how powerful that would have been, and especially in some of the previous lessons with Kelly, when she gets off on her tangents, and there's no nice way to say that, that's what they are, but she would be fine with that because she knows, just to say that this has deteriorated, we need to stop and we need to move on. So I guess, yes, noticing and naming, okay, and just getting her to be more familiar. But today I noticed she was using the actual, she said demonstration, she said guided practice, she said independent practice, wrap up. So she was herself naming.
She was.
Those things.
She was.
And she was thinking aloud to the students, which was, but again, for me, I think to just kind of put those right there when they're happening. So she knows right when they're happening. Because when she was doing that think aloud, that was so powerful for them, for the students to see her doing, because we've always heard, don't keep it a secret what's going on in our heads. Let the students in on it. So, and she was doing that.
She was. That was crystal clear.
And maybe the micro modeling even. That might be something fun to try on and say, not that she did it wrong, but how could we have done it differently? And maybe here's an example of how that could look.